Hi guys, so this video is intended for anyone who is a beginner who wants to know more about harmony and more specifically jazz harmony. This channel will help you improve your playing. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe and share it with anyone who you think will find it useful. Chord building. When we build a chord, as you have seen in the last lesson, if you had not seen the last lesson, please just check it up here. I'll put a link to it in the description, or it'll be pinned right above on the screen here. So building a chord we had spoken about was root, seventh, and third, right? And we moved up the scale like this of B flat major, so now I'm gonna sound like a broken tape record for a little bit. You always want to use root, seventh, and third. Root, seventh, and third. This is a beginner's approach, okay? And it's not just beginners, it's actually the basic of building any seventh chord, essentially. It's in the key of B flat, right? But also borrows from the minor key. In fact, I think it is more of a harmonic minor approach, which is actually the same, but I'll explain that a little later. So now analyzing the piece, so it starts on chord 2, right? And then it goes to chord 5, right? So chord 5 would look like this in terms of what we did last, and then it goes to chord 1, and then it goes to chord 4, then it goes to, what would this be, chord 7, right? But actually what it is the 2, because it's approaching G minor. This is G minor. And then it goes D7, we can put D7 like that. And then chord 6 or chord 6 like that. Now you see here there's a lot of jumping and, you know. So to avoid all the jumping, this is what we do. This is chord 2, right? And we need the 3rd and 7th of chord 5. So here's the 3rd of chord 5. We're already on the 7th, so we just do that. Same for chord 1 here. You see, instead of doing this and jumping, for chord 4, I mean, instead of jumping like this, we've already got the G over here, which is the 3rd. So we do. So far we have 2, 5, 1, 4. See how close it is to the chord, to the 2 of G minor here. Likewise here we've got the 7th, and we just need to make such a slight movement. So this is what you need to practice first, and just to get an idea of the harmonic movement and the sound of the tune. So when you have that down, now you can add the melody. You know, the melody is, you see, I can do that, or you can put the bass note here. So now you want to employ both your hands to do the job. I've got the melody, then I fill in third and seventh. Now, I just want to quickly actually talk about this A half diminished right here. This A half diminished is it's called a minor flat 5. It's got a flattened fifth. So actually this is what we need to do. We need to add this flattened fifth. This is the only case where you would add a fifth in a chord necessarily. So it's not like you can't add a fifth in a chord, you can, but it's necessary when it's a minor flat 5 chord, because the natural state of a flat 5 chord is an altered 5. So you need to have that fifth in there. So we have, now because I'm here already, I'm just going to keep this here. Look here. You see? That becomes a flat 9 but we'll talk about tensions later. So let's actually not add that tension. I don't want to confuse you. You can actually do that, or you could do this. I'll explain maybe later. But this essentially, this G minor becomes the 5 of the 2 because it goes back to the 5 again, right? If we do, and we have.